Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can separate elements in from image in Canva, or how can group or ungroup elements using Canva. So let's start the video guys. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me put one elements or image that have the multiple elements. Like if I search for logo, if I okay, so here graphics, photos. Okay, if this is okay, this is photo. Let me go into graphics. Okay, so this have the logos we have. Okay, so this is our image or graphics. Okay, if we have image like this, if I group it, it is look like this. Okay, it is look like one image. If you want to separate it, you need to just select that and ungroup it. So now you can, you know, make it separate. Okay, and you can move this all separately. Okay, so if you have any flyers or any image or anything something like this which have multiple elements, okay, like this. Okay, this is also background we have. Okay, so I just delete it, and it's something like this which is grouped. And if you want to make it separate or ungroup, you need to just select that elements or image and go to the ungroup. Now you can separate that elements like this. If you want to make it elements, again group it, just select all and just group it. Even your group it, you can individually edit. Okay, so you need to just double click on that particular elements and you can customize it like this. Okay, or you can go to the positions, go to the layers and click this down arrow and select your desired elements, and you can start to customize it like this. So that is how you can group or separate the elements from image or any other design in Canva. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.